Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today I have the absolute pleasure of showing you around number 31A Borstal Hill in Whitstable. Now, this property gives you the opportunity to have some of the most incredible views across the rooftops of Whitstable and over and across to the seafront. The views are absolutely to die for with this property, and the wonderful thing about it is the views are able to be appreciated from the main living space of the property. So we've already come just off of the front where you can see you've got plenty of off-road parking, and you've got the garage there as well. But just coming through into the main hallway space here, you can see that the property is in a beautiful decorative order throughout. So this property offers you the ability to move straight into and not have to worry about doing a thing whatsoever. So the ground level of the property, of course, you can see that you come straight into the entrance hall, and you've got bedroom number 3 here at the front, which is a really good sized bedroom. Now you've also got the downstairs shower room, which is located just off of bedroom number 3, and we'll go through and take a look at that now. You can see nice, modern, clean and contemporary space. So again, fresh and ready for you to move into straight away. You can see those lovely doors there as well. And just coming through, we'll take a look at bedroom number 2. Now, bedroom number 2 here is really, really wonderful. Of course, you can see you've got those French doors leading through into the sunroom and out into the garden. It's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful space. And of course, on the ground level, again, you've got another separate toilet, which is a huge bonus. You've got to have plenty of loos within modern properties. It's certainly what's expected. And you've got the huge bonus of having this garage here as well, with the up and over door there. Now, as we come back through the hallway, we can see here we've got bedroom number 1. Now, this bedroom does have the ensuite shower room, which is really, really nice and modern. Again, the theme of modern and contemporary just following through. So again, it's nice to have that. And again, you've got those wonderful French doors just leading through into an absolutely beautiful, beautiful space. You can see the sun's beaming down on the property today, and you've got this wonderful covered area that you can really appreciate all year round. So you're going to be able to enjoy this beautifully landscaped garden all year. You've got a lovely little view of the windmill there as well, so nice little feature to have. Not only do you have nice views over across Whitstable to the front, but you've got also that little view of the windmill there overlooking the rear garden. But you can see there is a plethora of outside dining spaces here. It's a beautiful garden that you know that you're going to be able to entertain friends in, and just looking back at the property, you can see that it is a very, very large property. Now, it's nice to note that you've also got side access just to the left-hand side of the property as well, and I think that it's certainly time to go upstairs, take a look at the amazing living space that you've got up there, and take a little look at the views as well. So we've come upstairs, and you can see just already that glimpse of the seafront that you can see through from the hallway window there. And as soon as you come upstairs, you can see this incredible, really imposing space that you have offered to you as a main living area. You can see you've got that beautiful log burning stove, and here we are. Look at those views. They're absolutely to die for, and on a wonderfully clear day like today, you can see just how far those views reach. You can see all the way across the estuary and across to the Isle of Sheppey, and even further on from that, Southend-on-Sea is even in your view. And you can see down there as well, again, the extent of your parking a little bit. So really, really good space, but just look at those views, absolutely to die for. And you can appreciate those views from this amazing living space. So you can imagine having friends and family over here, and they're going to be glued to the windows just looking at that wonderful view. But the space up here is really impressive. It's a very, very large lounge and dining area, so really, really impressive space. And we're going to go through and take a look at the kitchen in a moment, and you'll see the kitchen space with this property is really impressive as well. But before we do that, we're just going to go into the fourth bedroom, and you'll see that at the moment it's currently organised as a at-home study space, but again, a really good sized bedroom if you wanted it to be. Now, to service that fourth bedroom, you do of course have the modern shower room here as well. So nice modern and contemporary look that just follows throughout with this property. You've got that here as well. And we'll go through now into the kitchen. You can see you've got that lovely modern style here. You've got that lovely finish, integrated appliances. Just a beautiful space that you can really appreciate. And again, you've got another view of the windmill there as well. And I think with this property, it's really quite a one-off. You do not get many opportunities to be able to mix this modern style and to have those amazing views, which you really can only get from being at the top of Borstal Hill. So again, location wise, it's only a short distance into the town, and if you need to be making a commute onto the Thanet Way and perhaps even up to London, then that's easily done from this property. So I'd please ask that you give us a call, ask us as many questions as you like, and perhaps even book a viewing on this one. Thank you.